In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Japan with Remitly. To get started, open the Remitly app or go to the Remitly website and sign into your account. If you're new to Remitly, you'll first need to create an account and complete any required verification steps before sending money. Make sure you're using the correct account and that your profile information is up to date, because that can help avoid delays later in the process. Once you're inside the app or website, look at the country selector at the top of the screen. Click on it and choose Japan as the destination country. This step is important because it sets up the transfer options, delivery methods, and details specifically for sending money to Japan. After selecting Japan, click Send Money to begin the transfer. At this stage, Remitly will guide you through the setup process step by step. If the person you want to send money to is already saved in your contacts or recipient list, simply select their name to continue. This can save time and reduce the chance of entering information incorrectly. If the recipient is not already saved, click New Contact and then select their country. From there, you'll be taken to the section where you can enter the transfer details. Carefully type in the amount you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to the exchange rate, any transfer fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. Reviewing these details before moving forward can help you avoid surprises. Next, choose the delivery method. The available options may depend on the recipient's location and what services are supported for transfers to Japan. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer, so choose the option that works best for you and make sure the payment information is ready. Once those selections are made, click Continue. You'll then need to enter the recipient's account details exactly as requested on the screen. It's very important to double-check all information before confirming, since even a small mistake could delay the transfer or send funds to the wrong account. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transaction. Before submitting, take a moment to confirm the recipient, transfer amount, delivery method and payment method one last time. When everything looks correct, finish the transfer and wait for the confirmation message. And that's how to send money to Japan with Remitly.